Hello again, this is Steve for LessonsOnlineTV, and this is like the 5th, 6th lesson. It doesn't matter, we're going to lose count eventually. This is the lesson concerning the modern Greek numbers. So in this lesson I'm going to try to teach you the basic numbers, like 1 to 10, classic, it's usual. And if I can, I'm going to try to take you up to 20. It depends on how big the video is going to be. As always, like 11 and 12 have a few issues. It happens in almost every language. English has the same problem too. Like 11, 12, it's usually the problem. It's not usually the problem. Like, it doesn't follow a pattern. 11, 12. So let's not waste time. I'm gonna need time for this video. We all know the letters and the numbers. Like, numbers are the same everywhere. Let's stick to 9. No, let's add 0 too, just for the sake of it. This is called ένα. 2, 3, 4. This is written with 2 sigmas, as I said in the bonus video concerning the alphabet. Like, this is useful. It's just spelling. You actually pronounce just 1 sigma. 5, 6, 7, 7, or 7, 8, or 8, it doesn't matter, 9, or 9, it still doesn't matter, and 0 is 0. No, that's not clear. Okay, so this is pretty easy, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Yeah, okay, 0 should be a bit at the top. I was almost ready to say 10. Now, you might have encountered these numbers a lot, and they're usually found in science and stuff like that. For example, hexagon, pentagon. It's really, this gon is actually a suffix for the word gonia. In Greek means angle, like this kind of angle. I'm calculating an angle. And it actually means 5 angles. It has 5 angles. It doesn't really matter, I'm just saying it for reference. And when you say in chemistry, dioxide, monoxide, I don't know, pentoxide, I don't remember the names, but these are exactly the same, like dioxide, the oxidio, it's the same in Greek. So this is 0 to 9, and you just memorize these. There is not much to remember, it's not so special. Only this, I might have not mentioned it, but it's not that difficult to understand. Pente, because of the speed of saying it, you say pede. It's like the D sound of English. Is that the same thing? If you say pente, everybody will understand, but it sounds a bit as if you don't know how to speak. From that point onward, we go to 10, 20. I'll go up to 20, and from 20 onward, like 30 onward, it's just the same pattern. Then it's 100, 1,000, and yeah, it doesn't matter that much. 10, okay? Veka. Okay? Endeka. No, I'm not gonna say these out loud yet. Okay, Veka. Endeka. Or, no, Enveka or Endeka. I'm writing them both down and I'll tell you why. Dvoveka, this is only one thing. And from this point onward, the pattern is clear. You take 10, okay, Veka, and add the number, Veka 3, Veka 4, and you accentuate the second number, Veka 4, Veka 3, Veka 5, Veka 6, Veka 7, or 17, the exact same thing, blah blah blah. 18, 19. Okay? Not enough space, so I'll erase this column. You can always play this video back anyway. So a bit of gained space is worth the sacrifice. So from 19 we go to 20. 20 is kind of twisted. I don't understand why it's called like that. It's called 20. Okay, this is meant to be a sigma and a iota. Maybe it looks weird to you, so I'll just separate them. 20. And 21, 22, blah blah blah. Fortunately, the pattern is the same. You take 20 and you add the numbers. 21, 22, but all this in one word. Like, you don't leave a gap because it's originating from two different ones. 22, there is no gap here. 23. This is exactly the logic behind it. Blah blah blah, this is exactly the same up to 30. Now, 30 is called triada. I'm just gonna write like the tens down now because they make sense. They make a lot more sense than 20. But it's still like they have a bit of a difference. This 40 is sarada. 50 is penida. 60 is exida. 70 is evdomida. And 80 is orvoda. Now 90 didn't fit. I'm just going to put it here. 90 enenida. Just getting a bit on the side so that you can see everything. Now, this is more than enough. This is meant to be a beginner's lesson. Theoretically, if you watch this video once or twice, maybe with the first time if I'm a good teacher, you can understand how to write numbers up to 99. This is exactly, like I have told you everything you need to know to follow the pattern. You only need to pay attention here, these two, and the rest are exactly the same. 20, 21, 22, 23, 30, 31, 31, 32, and from that point on, sarada, like 41. That's in the same way that you say it in English. 51, penida, ena, like 51. So that's exactly the whole logic behind it. From this point onward, there is no complication. You don't say zeros, you don't say anything. You just follow this pattern, like up to 39, it's triada enya, or triada enya. Then you go to 40. And from 40, you go up to 49 using this pattern, like 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go up to 49 and 50, and so on. Up to 100. Now 100, I'm just going to say 100, I'm not going to go to the thousands at all. 100 is 100. Just like that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna say thousands, but I'm not gonna explain it. I'll just say it for the sake of it. 1000. 1,000. Like 1000. And this is it when it comes to numbers. I'm not gonna say anything more. What you need to do is practice. I have said these things enough, and the main problem that you might encounter is that you do not know how to say the names yet, the numbers. But if you actually go to the alphabet lesson, I have described, I think, well enough how to actually pronounce them. You just say whatever you see, according to the rules, obviously, like diphthongs and so on. So try to learn them. I have pronounced them in this video, so it shouldn't be that hard. And just for reference, like this lesson is over, just for reference, I'm just going to say, I said veka. Then it goes like edeka, doveka. As I said, this also has a different form, enveka, which is not really said, but it's merely written. And like, think of it as a book script. You don't really say that when you speak. It's en veka, 1, 10. Dodeka is like vioveka, but 2, 10. But this yo converts itself to omega for some reason. I don't know. But I can actually, I think I'm pretty sure that this is because of ancient Greek. I'm pretty sure I remember reading in ancient Greek literature, I don't remember where, that triremes, I think you know these ships, like triremes, I don't know, look it up, I can't draw. There were triskedeka triiris, like triskedeka triiris, like 13 triremes, 3 and 10. Like, this is and. I said it in the Greek 101 lesson. And, like, and. This kind of thing. So this is the pattern that was followed probably for 11, 12. I don't know why they were not called Vegana, Vegadio. But for some reason, obviously, this kind of simplification was not accepted. So this concludes this lesson. And I think this is more than enough to actually try to learn a lot more about Greek. From this point onward, I'm going to say things about colors and discuss various things without so much as a specific topic. Maybe introduce a few new tenses and stuff. But this is pretty much enough. Like, you can handle a lot of things now, I believe. And of course, I'm waiting for your feedback, everybody's feedback. I want comments, I want video responses, I want everything, so that I can see your questions. I'm gonna make follow-up videos of this. I don't mind. That's why I'm here. I'm actually trying to help you learn. So I'm gonna make dedicated videos, like responses to this video, where I will actually clarify things that you ask me. So I'm waiting for your feedback, and either way, I'm gonna see you in the next video.